guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are going to just be adding scripts from my Planning Hannah custom multi that I have and my memory planner here. And I have a couple to do, so we're going to do the week of November 4th through the 10th, November 11th through the 17th, and November 18th through the 24th. So, and I have all of my custom multis here that we are going to be using. And I need to grab my phone. I'll be right back. I am going to speed this up and throw on music for the next couple of videos for this video. I'm going to speed it up since I kind of already have it done. Actually, we're going to do this one in a different video. But anyway. Alright, I will see you guys in a second. Okay, I am back after those two weeklies. Now we're going to be putting down these scripts for November 18th through the 24th. And I do have these scripts from Planning Hannah. And I have my notes to the side. So on Monday, I had coffee and I went shopping. think I do. Let me see. Yeah, I do right here. I did some cleaning. And then we did some filming. And I had a YouTube binge. On Tuesday, I had coffee in the morning. I moved my books. I did film a little. Let's see. I did read. And we had some family cuddles. I had some coffee this day on Wednesday. I diamond painted. Come on, lay down. Had a YouTube binge. Pulled some stickers. What else? Did I not write down? Let's see. I'm pretty sure. Give me 1 second. Yeah. Pretty sure we had cuddles, and I watched the originals. Okay, on to Thursday. I was tired AF. There it is. Tired AF, and had coffee. And diamond painted. Okay. I filmed. Yeah, there it is. I read, and we had a movie night. And then Friday, my husband was off. Went to the bookstore. Had some coffee. Went to the gym. I read. I went shopping. And we watched Demon Slayer. Cut that in half. Okay. Saturday we slept in, went to Target, we got the bookshelves, and cutouts. And I read. Alright. On Sunday, I cleaned the walls. Did the laundry. I had a migraine. And fuck it. And I forgot one script, but that's okay. And then we watched a show. Just check. I don't have it. Okay, so that's fine. And I had coffee. Alright. So those were those weeks. So we did this week, November 4th through the 10th. We did November 11th through the 17th. And then November 18th through the 24th. And I love how it turned out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.